Breaking news: a Ghanaian man just knocked off Americans to become the first black Ghanaian man to build a computer from scratch. Yes, and this person is a Ghanaian. The first black man in Africa who is a Ghanaian to build computer from scratch. Guys, I'm going to be sharing the video here for you all to watch. Please, as you're watching, do well to share this video because I want this video to get to as much people as it can, because a lot of people do not know the potentials that Ghana has. They don't know, and I want them to be shocked seeing this video, seeing how industrious, how intelligent Ghanaians are. Please share this video, like and comment. Let's watch together, guys.
We all remember Tyrone Iras Maguire, the Rasta guy from the case of the Achimota school.
Tyrone Maguire.
Yeah. So Tyrone Iras Maguire, University of Pennsylvania computer engineering freshman from Ghana. He has actually designed an 8-bit arithmetic logic unit, 3,488 transistors across 8 custom PCBs. So the project handles 19 operations like addition, shift, verify through 1.24 million test vectors in simulation. After overcoming a 2021 court battle to attend Achimota School, despite his Rastafarian dreadlocks, he earned top grades, Olympiad golds, and a full Penn scholarship, now inspiring pride back home with his self-driven hardware feature.
The brain is working.
Yeah, so this is more like a CPU.
Tyrone Maguire. Yeah, the brain is really
and he built
working.
it from scratch, you know. And this is the part of the CPU that handles the arithmetic logic unit. So this is from him actually. I built a functional 8-bit ALU from 3,488 transistors in my dorm. So he built it in his dorm. 19 OPS, 7 status flag, 5-bit control, 8-bit word size, 3D size if you want to see it. It's there, and repo. It's also there. That's for people who understand these languages. But 3D size, obviously we understand that, but repo I don't really understand. Now verified with 1.245 test vectors. This is the arithmetic engine on the path to a CPU built from principles. Next up, optimization, error checks, PCB, other. And we wish him luck on the stage of optimization and error checks and PCB. I hope everything works out fine. And obviously, if it works out fine, that means we have a Ghanaian that can actually build an ALU for a CPU. So good luck for him. I mean, good luck to him, sorry. I won't pretend I understand what you have done and its significance, but congrats.
Meet the Ghanaian boy who's built a fully functional computer brain all the way from scratch in the dormitory. Now his name is Tyrone Iras Maguire, the same guy who gained attention in 2021 in Ghana after almost being denied admission into the Achimota school. He later on graduated in 2023 with 8 A's, which secured him a full scholarship to study in the University of Pennsylvania in the US. Now, just 2 years after admission, this guy is already making history. He's built a fully functional 8-bit ALU all the way from scratch. Now, this is something that most people will need a fully equipped lab to even think of building. And this guy did it from his dormitory. Now, for those of you who don't understand what an ALU is, full meaning is arithmetic logic unit. It forms a major part of the CPU, the brain of a computer. What this ALU does, it's responsible for the basic calculation and also the logical decisions made in the computer. And what Maguire built in the dormitory is an 8-bit ALU with 3,488 transistors. So there are 3 levels of this things when it comes to the 8-bit design. There's a simple one, which is 355 transistors. Then we have the optimized one. That one uses about 774 transistors. Then finally, there's the complex one, or the difficult one, that uses about 3,488 transistors. And that's what this guy built. This is someone who was almost denied admission just because of his hair. Why? The world was almost denied this greatness just because this is an African child who chose to keep his hair.
Do you know Apostle Quadro Safo Kantanka? The man who built a car that speaks Twi when you start it, and a toilet that literally says, "Bra, flush wo bini no." Brother, flush your toilet. He's not your ordinary inventor. He's a Ghanaian genius who builds cars, aircraft parts, and even robots, all from his own workshop using local materials. They call him the Star of Africa. While others import, he creates cars that move without fuel, drones that respond to voice, and machines that baffle engineers. But Kantanka isn't just an inventor. He's also an apostle, founder of the Christ Reformed Church, where faith meets science in mysterious ways. Some say his power is divine. Others believe it's something beyond human. Whatever it is, Apostle Quadro Safo Kantanka proves that African innovation...
You know how everyone calls Elon Musk a genius? Well, Ghana had our own long before him, Apostle Dr. Quadro Safo Kantanka. This man didn't just dream, he built those dreams. Cars. He made them. Robots. He made them. Even gadgets that talk. Kantanka believed in one thing, Africa can create too. When people said, Ghana can't build cars, he smiled and said, watch me. He proved that innovation doesn't need to come from abroad, it can come straight from Kumasi, from Ghanaian soil. Sadly, Apostle Dr. Kwadwo Safo Kantanka has passed on. But his legacy, it still drives on through every Kantanka car, every young inventor, and every dreamer who believes in Ghana. Rest well, legend. You showed us what's possible when we believe in our own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and salute the legend in the comments. Kantanka forever.
So if I call, the ball will be on, and the system will place the call for me to listen to whatever is happening. So let's see. Hello.
Mini on my young Cassamo this year, a Jaffa Canini. Then them whom we have. I guess someone I win. The year can not say, oh, fair number, and I can't answer equal bedging to Hemby, our Ghana, was I can. And that what the switch be an abana switch no, wait me the about came, wait me the above fee. Baby Biara, who control no, our phone soon, wait me the app no, abo, our control our phone. So, will fear, Ebiana for security reason. What Pierre Unifi, Opeso, the Ecosu fee, offer up now, you switch up and Casaba picket. Better sound that Ecosu fee, sounds up as our lighting system, opposite a bus if you're lighting and so a 5 a.m. so lighting in ending Duma. Meaning our programming our app no so someone say you hear they say obey story will fear on obey display am come e bia na ba come from for baby aka no uni baby o modeko no answer for phone uputu ade no offer kanija ebedum e baby biara o etimu mi nyina yensom na yemwa na ade oseme bo a somewhere na nkasa e display app na nkasa action hwe.
Please, I just want to thank you. This is the smart switch. The product name is the RPA switch that I have invented. I made everything from scratch. I'm going to teach you how to be able to install my smart switch in your room. So this is the regular one that you have. I'm going to remove the regular switch, then I'll face him and switch for you to know how to connect it and how it works. Please, let's watch. Thank you.
Hey, now what can
So the switches are 4. This is 1. Assuming you want to connect my smart switch in your room or wherever. Assuming this is the neutral, live, and the switch wire. So you pick the neutral wire, you connect it. So here to do the neutral, live, and switch. So you connect the neutral to the neutral.
I come from Sola in the Savannah region, but live in Tra, a suburb in Sunyani. I am a student in the University of Mines and Technology, Takwa. I started making all these things at the age of 7.
So now I'm done installing my invented RPA switch, and you can see how nice it is. Let me take you through how it's being operated. This switch can be operated in 4 ways. One is by a phone call, and one is. So right now, I'm going to call the number of the bulb. It's having a SIM card. So if I call, the bulb will be on, and the system will place the call for me to listen to whatever is happening here. So let's see. Hello, try 2. Hello, try 2. This is to let you listen to the noise happening in your room or a long distance. I'm going to call again to put the system off. But if the system is off, the call will not pick. It is to let you know the difference. Assuming you are not around, if you want to know the state of the bulb, that's to help you. So the call is active. Hello, try 2. So let me call again and put it off. If it's off, the call will not pick. But if it's on, the call will pick. You can also set it that if it's off, the call rather picks. Hello. So please, another way of operating is the sensor. You can also use this sensor. But if you are to use this sensor to control the bulb, this is a light sensor. So in the evening time, if this sensor detects light, the bulb will be on. In the daytime, if it detects darkness, the bulb will be on. If it detects light, the bulb will be off. So this is how it works. You can also set it in a way that if you put it on in the daytime, then in the night it will be off. In the daytime it will be on. Those who would like to put their system on in the daytime, in the evening it will be off. In the daytime it will be on. Then in the evening it will be off. Rather, in the daytime it will be on. You can also control it manually. And also this system, it also accepts message. You can test it. You can give it a test message. If you send on, the bulb will be on. If you send off, the bulb will be off. And this one too is the meaning of this one. But this one is having only two functions, either controlling it by manual or by the sensor. This tool is having two sensors. One sensor is here and one is also here. If you want to use this sensor, you come and hide this sensor on top of the roofing sheet so that if it detects darkness in the night, the bulb will be on. If it detects light, the bulb will be off. So if you put it on in the daytime, then it means in the daytime the bulb will be on, in the night the bulb will be off. In the daytime the bulb will be on, in the night the bulb will be off. So this one is going to depend on how you ensure the system to work. You can also control it manually. You can also put the system off totally so that the sensor will no more be working. It will not be working again. You will be controlling it manually as usual. So if you want to put the system on for 7 years, if you put it on, there's a switch here. If you put it on, then the sensor will be working. Same to this one too. This one too, if you put it off, the sensor will no more be working. So you'll be controlling it manually. So please, thank you for watching. These are the smart switches that I've made. I made everything from scratch in Ghana here, including the cases and everything. So if you need more, I can do more for you as you want. If I government body.
Guys, you see how Ghanaians are representing Africa. Ghanaians have been paving way, have been innovative, have been creating a lot of invention in Africa that even Americans have not done yet. So kudos to Ghanaians because the world needs to see this. If the world is not seeing this, I don't know who else needs to see this also. Please share this video, like the video and subscribe to the channel.